Look at this apron. I just got this from Calavera Tool Works. This is the Me Mabie edition, featuring olive leather accents on where the buckles attach and behind the main pocket, that kind of stuff, as well as this pocket configuration. I guess you can get all sorts of different configurations, but this is what I have. Heavy stitching, heavy leather, beautiful leather too. Nice riveted corners, and this awesome shoulder strap system that should keep all the weight off my neck and back and make it so I can wear this thing all day. Nice heavy brass clips to hold everything together and make everything adjustable, and should be great for metalworking. Plus it looks dapper. Thank you very much, Calavera Tool Works and Me Mabie.